convenience package, automatic trunk opening and closing and power soft close automatic doors and trunk lid, luxury seating package, driver's side front active seat, front ventilated seats, heated front seats, and heated rear seats, premium sound package, and Basalt Gray Flannel Gray Nasca Leather Upholstery. Are you interested in a simply gray car? Then take a look at this gorgeous 2006 BMW 7 Series. New car test drive said. Known for brilliant high-performance sedans with conservative styling and straightforward interiors, BMW has stepped out of the box with this design. The new 7 Series models offer stunning styling and a fresh approach to ergonomics. This car is nicely equipped with features such as convenience package, automatic trunk opening and closing, and